We'll guide you through how you can unlink the Outlook account from the Gmail app. So let's get started. So let's say we are receiving all of these emails from our Hotmail account or Live account or any other account, and we just want to unlink that because we don't want to receive it now. So all we have to do is just go to the settings right here and click on see all settings, and we will directly click on accounts and import. And we can see that if we scroll down a little bit, you can find this option check mail from other accounts, and this email is set via Gmailify. So I'll just unlink that, and you will see this message right here that if you want to unlink that, you have received some emails on this Gmail account. So whether you want to delete the copied emails or you want to keep them. So I want to delete the copied emails and click on unlink, and that's pretty much it. It will need some time to process that, and then you should be good to go. And as you can see here, right now I have some emails, but after some times it will be completely removed. So that's it, guys. This is how you can unlink your Outlook account on Gmail. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.